Hello, this is Benjamin and I'll be your guide on walking you through your editor. What we're going to start off with today is something really easy. We're going to start off with the dashboard page. Now, most of the time when you log into your editor, this will be the very first page that you see. On the dashboard page, it gives quite a bit of information on different statistics, web traffic, if you will. The first one that you'll see is the month date up top. So you can see total leads, total visitors, total page views, and per those 1,000 visitors, how many of them were turned into lead submissions, such as requesting services, requesting quotes, that sort of thing. Next, you have quick links, which are some of the most used links within your editor. You have leads, which will get you to your internal leads area in which you can view incoming leads from the site. You have inventory manager, where of course you will be putting in your new, used, and new non-current inventory if you'd like to feature on your site. Product manager is primarily now used for correcting the prices that you see on the new models page. And the new models page can also be called many different things. Pages is where you'll get in if you want to make changes to written paragraphs that you have on your website. That is where you'll go. Orders is no longer used. It's part of our old e-commerce system, our legacy e-commerce system. And rotating offers will change the rotating banners that you see near the top, in most cases, of your homepage, that you'll see advertising things like financing deals, sales, veteran discounts, and other things like that from major brands that you feature within your business. Lead count by month, or you can choose year to date. Top viewed pages on your site based on these parameters up here. Total leads count by source, visitors by device, so you can actually take hold of this information and use it to promote a specific type of marketing or something like that. It's useful information. Account is where you're going to go in and just view your most basic account information. So it'll have the name of your business, it'll have your internal ID that we use to identify your particular business, and it'll have things like your address, phone number, and other location and contact info as well. And you have manage users. Now, if you're looking just to view the current users that you have on here, that your employees that are allowed to get on here and make changes, you can go into users and view that. If you're looking to assign a brand new user, you can click on the plus right here, and all you'll need is username, which is their business email, their real name, which it asks for first and last name, and to create a password for them. And then, of course, after your employee logs in for the first time, if they want to change that password, they certainly can. Down beneath here, we have sites. I'm not going to go through all of them right now, but essentially, if you have either a temporary build site, because your site hasn't gone live, or your site has gone live, more than likely you will see an address that's right here that you can simply click on, and will open up your either temporary or your finalized live site in a brand new tab. If you get to this site section and you don't see either the temporary or the live site address, you can jump into domains, and if it is your final live site, it'll have your actual address that you picked, your URL, and of course, if it's in the build state, it'll say DDS-build in the address. Over to the right, we have request update. If your site goes live and you either have something that you don't know how to do, that you don't have time to do, or a mixture of both, you can request it. Just know that for request update, you can only use this feature once your site has already gone live. And then down beneath there, you have resources, which I won't cover at the moment, but in subsequent videos, I will take the time to go through most of these. That is all I have for you on the dashboard page. Until I talk to all of you again, thank you very much for your valuable time. Bye-bye.